Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy S22 Plus is now here at Boost Mobile. It is currently on sale, $300 off. So it's available in two storage options, 128 gigs, which is $699.99 on sale, or it's $999.99 for retail price. It's currently in stock right now as of this video recording. And then you guys have the 256GB version, which is $1049.99. It is currently out of stock right now as of this video recording. The only color option that you guys have is platinum black, so do keep that in mind. So this is the Galaxy S22 Plus. So it looks like the Galaxy S21 Plus from last year, except for it has newer hardware and stuff like that. So there's the phone, front of the phone. You guys have your whole punch-free front-facing camera, earpiece above that. Right side of the phone has your power button, volume key. You have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Your SIM card is on the bottom of the phone. Alright. Back of the Galaxy S22 Plus is your triple camera setup, along with your camera flash, Samsung logo. So you guys have an ultra-wide camera, telephoto, and a wide angle camera on the back of the phone. So pretty cool. The left side has nothing. Like I said, your SIM card is on the bottom of the phone. Right side, like I said, the power button, volume keys. There's the right side there, volume keys, power button. The camera does stick out just a bit down the back, so be mindful of that. So it says here, with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, you can capture detailed photos or videos even in the dark. Keep doing what you love all day, and then some, with battery for a day and into the next. Adaptive brightness, easy on the eyes, indoors and outdoors, create and share your memories with the 10 megapixel low light selfie camera. So quick specs on the Galaxy S22 Plus has a 6.6 inch display, 50 megapixel main camera in the rear, 36 has a talk time, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage, and Android 12 with One UI 4.0. Of course, how does it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan and activate online. Pretty simple. So there's the Galaxy S22 Plus. It looks the same as the Galaxy S21 line from a year ago. Alright, so there you go. Low light, no problem. Capture the night with crystal clear, bright pics and videos, no matter the lighting, with night mode. There's fast. Then there's our fastest processor ever. And like I said, they're taking, like I said on the Galaxy S22 video for Boost, they're taking a quote from Apple, because Apple says it every year on the iPhones. They say that it's the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Apple says it every year about their iPhones, and now Samsung is doing it with the Galaxy S22 line. But yeah, it says wait less and do more of what you love, thanks to the incredibly fast 4nm processor. Stream in high def, video chat with others, stay on top of what's trending in real time. This phone is made for the speed of your life. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is the newest processor from Qualcomm. So there you have it. A battery that keeps your day going. Power every scroll, click, tap, and stream all day long with an intelligent battery that works with you, not against you. It has a 4500 mAh battery on the Galaxy S22 Plus, so pretty good there. Smooth, bright, epic. Your favorite content will look even more epic on a bright display with Vision Booster, which is a new thing on the Galaxy S22 line. So pretty cool there. There's the Galaxy S22 Plus right there, pretty nice. So the new standard of premium, expertly engineered to outlast your day with class. Finally, a phone that meets your standards. Strut your style and click sophisticated colors like pink gold, green, phantom white, and phantom black. Don't just stream it, share it. Live sharing with Google Duo lets you watch viral YouTube videos and content together with your friends from anywhere. Alright? So, pretty cool. So the specs on here, this is a flagship phone, of course, you expect flagship specs, and that's what you're getting here. You guys have a 4500 mAh battery, 36 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable. That's pretty much standard now on all phones. Memory is 8 GB of RAM and 128 gigs or 256 GB of storage. There is no SD card support. Processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Android 12 with One UI 4.0. Cameras, 50 megapixel wide angle with an f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture. Then you have a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom with the f2.4 aperture lens. And then you guys will have a 10 megapixel front facing camera with an f2.2 aperture lens. Alright. Display is a 6.6 inch Infinity O Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2 times display with 120Hz refresh rate. So to keep it in mind, dimensions for the Galaxy S22 Plus: 6.20 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. The Galaxy S22 Plus weighs 6.88 ounces. So yeah, not too bad, I guess. Your connectivity options on the Galaxy S22 Plus include Wi-Fi, of course, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, Samsung Pay, of course. Other features include fast wireless charging 2.0, wireless power share, and whatnot, and IP68 dust and water resistance as well. What's included in the box is not much, guys, because Samsung is kind of taking some things out of the box. So you guys get the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus prepaid smartphone, USB-C cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, and you guys get a SIM ejection tool, and that is it in the box. You guys don't get no headphones, no charging brick, nothing like that. So you guys might have to get a charging brick if you guys don't have one. Make sure that it's a Type-C charging brick that you guys can do to charge your phone. So make sure that it has a Type-C charging brick. So it does not come with the charging brick, because Samsung has done away with that. They took the page from Apple with that, with the whole no charging block, no charging brick in the box. So you guys want to have your own if you guys don't have one. So yeah. So pretty much bare bones on the packaging there. So if you guys need help with your Galaxy S22 Plus, Boost Mobile is here to help you out with device support, which is a great tool. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your applications and games. So device support is a great tool to have. So check it out if you guys ever need help with your phone. It's a great tool. So with that being said, did you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus? Is here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $699.99. Currently also $300 off. It's $999.99 for retail price for the 128GB version, which is currently in stock right now as of this video recording. And then you guys have the 256GB version, which is $1049.99. It is currently out of stock right now, so do keep it in mind. So at least it's in stock. And yeah, because when I did the video on the Galaxy S22 for Boost, it was in stock when I started the video. Then I clicked on the 256GB version, then they went out of stock, and then I went back to the 128GB version, and then it changed to out of stock. So that was kind of weird. So y'all got some WhatsApp videos for yourselves to see it for yourself. So yeah, so do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus? is now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.